Were you met with the dreaded "your account has been disabled" message on Instagram? Don't panic, because today we're going to walk through how to get your profile back. First, let's understand why this might happen. Instagram disables accounts for violating their terms of service or community guidelines. This could be anything from spammy behavior, posting prohibited content, or even impersonation. The primary way to recover a disabled account is through the official appeal process. You'll need to find the specific appeal form for disabled accounts. This is usually linked directly from the notification you receive, or you can search for it in the Instagram Help Center. When filling out the appeal form, be honest and thorough. You'll typically be asked to provide your username, the email address associated with your account, and a detailed explanation of why you believe your account was disabled in error. Instagram may also request verification. This often involves submitting a photo of yourself holding a handwritten code provided by Instagram, along with a valid governmental ID. Make sure the photo is clear and all information is legible. After submitting your appeal and any requested documentation, the waiting game begins. Instagram reviews these appeals manually, so it can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. If your appeal is successful, you'll typically receive an email from Instagram with instructions on how to regain access once back in. Review Instagram's terms of service and community guidelines to ensure your future activity complies and prevent this from happening again. Getting a disabled Instagram account back is possible with a diligent appeal. Stay calm, be thorough, and follow these steps to reunite with your profile.